Before we can go ahead and cut the structure out of the boat, we need to build a jig to keep the boat square into its original shape so the boat doesn't get distorted or twisted. Now with the hull cradled in its jig, Chuck got in there and he was able to start cutting out all of that wet, disgusting foam.
Easy there, Chucky.
Only to hand it off to Stanley to cut those stringers right out of the boat.
There you go.
Powder. It's powder. The beans?
Yep.
All right. And I'll...
That's the last layer?
Layer after layer.
That's it. I wouldn't go any further than that.
These are just the layers of tabbing that were poorly put on.
It's more due to poor prep of the surface. Coming in the next day and laying up without grinding. And we got to get these layers off. We don't want to be glassing compromised laminate. You find this a lot on hand laid up boats of the 70s and the 80s.
And finally, after we removed the stringer system, we're able to get to our rotted, soaked out transom and get that core out, preparing the inside of the hull for a major grind fest.
All right. Continue onward.